What if your house could work for you, instead of making you pay every month? What if the same sun that warms your roof could cover your bills too? Thousands of homes are already doing it, with clean energy, silent, and more affordable than you imagine. And the best thing is that many haven't paid a single cent upfront. Today, you're going to discover how you can do it too, without paying anything upfront, without technical complications, without endless paperwork or bureaucratic processes. Because the traditional electrical system is designed to make you dependent. But with Solar with Mish, you decide. It's the best guide, summarized in a single video, that can change your life and improve your finances forever. And it all starts with something as simple as filling out a basic data form. But wait, this is where the good part begins. Because it's not just about having solar panels, it's about how you do it, how much you pay, and above all, how much you could be missing out on every month. Did you know there's a federal benefit that gives you back 30% of the total value of your solar system? And no, it's not a coupon or an empty promise. It's called the Federal Solar Tax Credit. And yes, it's real. A direct reduction in your federal taxes. If your system costs $50,000, the government gives you back $15,000. Money that goes straight to your pocket for taking action. But here's the problem. This benefit is on borrowed time. Changes are already being discussed in Congress, and several states have movements to reduce or eliminate this federal incentive. Yes, the 30% could disappear soon. If you owed $18,000 to the IRS, now you only pay $3,000. And if you already paid during the year, you could get a refund check. That clear. It's not a scam. It's a federal law waiting for you. And the craziest part, when you really analyze it, the actual impact isn't just 30%. It's up to 43%. Where does that come from? Easy. If you decide to wait and they eliminate the credit, your initial $35,000 won't be enough anymore. You'll need to put $15,000 more out of pocket, meaning 43% based on the $35,000 you could have avoided. See? It's not just help. It's a smart move to play big chips. And if you don't take it, that 43% disappears. Simple. That money improves your tax burden, your monthly cash flow, and in some cases, might give you back even more than you imagined. This is one of those moments where saying, "I'll look at it later," could cost you thousands. But wait, the worst hasn't even come to light. That was just the tip of the iceberg. Did you think the 30% tax credit was the best part? That was just the beginning. There are other legal benefits that can also reduce your solar system's total cost. But don't worry, with Solar with Mish, we analyze them. Combine them all and turn them into an exclusive package, optimized just for you. We explain everything clearly, at no cost or obligation. Everything evaluated case by case, with legal basis and precise strategy according to your state's policies. If you decide not to do it, we'll completely understand. But if you accept, you're entering a change that transforms homes and wallets forever. You've got nothing to lose. It's win or win. It's premium energy, precisely designed to elevate your lifestyle. So, how much do you think you'd pay for this? And how much would you start saving from month 1? Don't wait any longer. Find out now. Fill out the form. Link in bio. And remember, it's just basic info.